What is that one thing that is totally normal, totally accepted, totally legal, but you find it so annoying to do? I'll go first. Okay, so for me, it's the fact that you have to pay charges anytime you try to send money to someone on any other network. Well, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can do that with an app and you don't have to pay charges. So yeah, without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Okay, so the app I'm actually talking about is Waya. You can get it on your Android phone or your iPhone. And you don't have to buy a new SIM or anything. You can actually use your existing mobile money wallet to connect with it. And yeah, you might need your ID card, but then it's not really necessary to be able to use the app. I know I don't use an ID because I don't have a supported ID card. But then provided you've already downloaded the app and you've created an account, let me teach you how you can send money, or let me just take you through the interface of the app. It actually has a very simple and a very unique interface that you'd see right about now. But then if you are thinking about creating an account, you can use my promo code or links in the description to create an account. In turn supports me, the channel, or supports me and my channel and all that. So yeah, so you are supposed to be seeing my screen on your screen right about now. Provided you've created an account using my promo code or the link, don't forget to do that. If you do that, it supports my channel. You're supposed to be seeing something similar to what I'm seeing on the screen. So on top, you are seeing your name and then a welcome back message, the setting button, your Waya address or Waya number or whatever, the amount of money you have in your account, that is your balance, then essential buttons essential buttons you need to make the app work, and also the history of your transactions and whatnot. The first button we have here is load. It's one of the most important buttons we have on the app. Why do I say that? I say that because it's the only way you can load money onto your app or onto your account. So when you click on load, it gives you a dialog where you can choose the amount of money you want to load onto the app. And also, upon creating the account, you are asked to link a Momo money account to the Waya account so that you can be able to just withdraw or send money through the Momo money to the Waya app. The next one is send. Obviously, you can send money to people. And one thing I like about this app is, like I said, the purpose of this whole video is you can send money to people without charges. And yes, before you come at me and say, but Vodafone does the same thing. Vodafone has a limit to the amount of money you can send for free, but then this app doesn't. Even more so that last week I sent a huge amount of money, about 600 cedis to someone through this app to a Momo money wallet without paying any charges. That's actually really cool. And there are two ways you can actually send money to people. So obviously, when you click on send, you choose where you want to send the money to. What we are talking about now is just mobile money accounts, not bank accounts. Obviously, when you are sending money to another Waya user, it's still free. So you choose a contact, then you send the money to. So in this case, I am going to send the money to my Airtel Tigo number. Provided you've already chosen the number you are sending the money to, that's in this case my Airtel Tigo number, you can choose the amount of money you are sending. So let's say I'm sending 100 cedis to this number. And what makes this app very interesting is you can choose the source. So if you're like me, you have a Waya account, you have money in your Waya account, you can just use it directly to send the money. Easy peasy. But then the other side is, if you don't have the money in your Waya account, like you think, oh, I don't have enough money to be having it in Waya and having it on my Momo money account, it's a long process to put it in there. You can still use Waya to send the money from your generic mobile money account. So in this case, I'm choosing the source of the money to be my mobile money account. So I choose it and then confirm the source. When I confirm the source and I go through this process, it will deduct the money directly from my mobile money account. Still not adding any charges, because to Vodafone or to the companies, you are making payments to Waya, and Waya is sending the payments to whomever you are making the Momo money for. So this can be useful in cases where you buy something from a friend or you buy something for somebody, and then you're like, oh hey, or you just pick an Uber or something, you're like, oh hey, I don't have physical cash, do you accept Momo? And the person says yes. Sometimes you have to pay the fee or the cash plus charges. You can use this app to skip the charges and not pay it at all without having to put it in your Waya account. The third button is the withdraw button. So the reason why this is useful is if you want to withdraw cash to your mobile money account to make something, like to withdraw at someone or withdraw somewhere or buy a bundle on your phone or whatever, you can use a withdraw button. So with that, you don't have to manually type in your number. You just send the money to your mobile money account and it does it easy for you. The fourth button is the airtime and bills button. It's great because the team behind this app is actually still working on this app. And that is a plus and that is a con for me. It's a con because why do you build an app like this and not be able to buy airtimes or pay bills? And it's a plus for me because they are still working on it. That means any suggestions we make from now till the time they actually launch this feature, there are chances that your suggested features might make it onto the app. So yeah, and also underneath you see the history, the transactions that you've made and all that kind of stuff, sent, received and all that. Thanks for watching and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to tell me your thoughts in the comment section below. And also share this video to as many people as you can so that they can also send money with their friends or share money with their friends without paying charges. Also, you can use the promo code or the promo links that is in the description to support my channel, and also to create an account with Waya, and you can also use it to send and receive money without paying charges, because why not?